Hi everybody and welcome to Michael Hartung International. Today I'm going to review the GoPro Hero9 Black series that I just purchased a couple months ago. Love this camera, so let's jump right in. This is going to be a quick review of some of the cool features of this camera and why I love it so much. So one of the first things I love about this camera is the size of it. Honestly, I'm surprised that it took me this long to get a GoPro. This thing is so versatile. I take it with me everywhere on all of my trips. Anytime we go downtown, I just love having this thing, and it's so much better than always just using your cell phone. So I love that the Hero 9 has the front-facing screen here. I love the back screen. It's wide, it's sleek. The matte finish around the edges of the camera are also excellent as well. So this is all in all a pretty cool camera, and it takes excellent 4K video, also up to 5K video, which I've been playing around with. The other thing about this camera, and I think a lot of times GoPro gets the notion that it's just for action, it's just for shooting shots underwater, and that's just not true. This camera is versatile. You can use it for basically anything. So the other thing that I was going to show you was I had bought the little wand here, and this hooks on really easy. It's really easy to use. Anyone can use this, and it just hooks right on like this. So there you have it. You have the handle here. And my whole thought about this was I was thinking, you know, who would this be good for? I think this camera would be great for, let's say around the holidays, just using this to videotape. You know, instead of a large camcorder, you've got this, you've got a micro SD card as the memory card, and just using this around Christmas time, you know, taping the family and whatnot. This is also a really sturdy camera. It comes in this nice case, which you don't have to carry around, but I do because I like to keep everything together. And I also bought the waterproof case with it as well, which I've used plenty of times going underwater. And I bought the lens coverers for underwater too, because of course when you're swimming under the water, our human eyes kind of deflect the light, so you need a special lens, which I will include the link in the description below. Once again, another great thing, you could definitely have this and give it to the kids so they can go swimming in the pool or in the lake, and this is going to protect your investment in the GoPro. I do have the link in the description below that you can go ahead and click on, look at different types of packages and see which one works for you. I definitely suggest this camera, and even if you go with a lesser version of the GoPro, I highly recommend it. A couple other items that I purchased when I did buy this was the head strap. You know, you just put the head strap on and the GoPro connects here, and you have full range of motion with your hands, and it just basically, it's one and done. You turn it on and it starts recording, and you can then upload the files right to your computer, edit them if you wish, or else put them into folders, and then you have those memories saved with you forever. The other item that I got too was the chest strap. This one just straps right on. I love this one too. I use it for biking. I've taken several videos with this. One of the videos, if you see on my channel, is biking across the Gibraltar-Spain border. I used the chest strap for that. And a lot of my most recent videos have actually been with my GoPro, and you can see that the quality is definitely there. So if you're thinking about getting a GoPro, or you've been hesitant about it, like I was for a long time, I considered getting this, and I was worried about spending the several $100s to make the investment and get it. I definitely recommend it. It's very much worth it. I will be using this camera for years to come. And like I said, I love the sleekness of it. I love having this little wand here, you know, just using it everywhere I go. And it's just cool. And it fits, you know, this fits right in your hand. The size of it's great. You can see, I can see me through the GoPro on here, and then you have the reverse here. So if you are thinking of getting a GoPro Hero 9, click the link in the description below and check it out. It's definitely worth it, and hopefully I get a chance to do a couple more videos about some of the effects of this camera. That I highly recommend it. And if you have any questions or comments, or want to hear more about the GoPro, itself, go ahead and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new cool videos that I have. Thanks for joining Michael Hartung International, and don't forget to make someone smile today.